Don't even cut it. I like it real ghetto. I'm a real ghetto bitch and I like it real ghetto. I like it real ghetto and long and ratchet and hood rat.
In the room with a spotlight, lights, camera, action, film it cause she's so tight. Outfit lit, gotta get my scene card. Rolling with the 4 friends, rated 5 stars. Confident, swagged out, she be holding it down, no doubt. Hustling on her own, and for that I call her grown and confident.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see in the link in the description below, I'm doing a get ready with me. First day back at work. After quarantine, I haven't worked in 5 months. So my heart is like beating really fast. The anxiety is kicking in. I don't know what to expect. So the first day back at work is like your first day out of job period, because I haven't worked in 5 months. I'm going back to the same job though. But so I already took a shower, I moisturized my face, washed my face, brushed my teeth. So I'm gonna focus mostly on the eyes, so like wearing lashes, do my little, I don't wear mascara and too much foundation and all that stuff. So it's gonna be fairly fast when it comes to my face. Get ready with me. And then my hair is already done, so I just the these baby hairs. I'm whispering because people in my house are sleeping. But yeah guys, let's get into it. I have 40 minutes to get out the door, so this can't not take too long. But yeah, let's get into it. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get into it, guys. So the first thing I always do is the lashes, because it's the hardest part, because sometimes it gets messy, goes on crooked, and you gotta fix it, you gotta take it out. So I always try to get the lashes out of the way. Yes, I always try to get the lashes out of the way. Okay. So these are the lashes I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna link these. What I do is I buy them in bulk on AliExpress. It's like 10 packs of 10 for $30. Like, what is that? 10 times 10. So 100 lashes for $30. Bitch, a beauty supply or what? What is the eyelash places? What? I don't know. And they all work very well. They come in, you can choose your style. There's different styles. They actually fucked up my order. I wasn't supposed to get this one, but whatever. This one's so pretty. I just don't like my lashes basic. So as long as they ain't basic, we good. Okay. And then for glue, something spilled. For glue, I'm gonna show you the jade roller. Do this while I'm looking for the glue. I feel like I have time, eh? Did I act like I got time? 2 bags. Okay, don't have time. So I use hair glue for eyelash glue. You just use a tip of any brush. And that's how I apply it. This one is for non-professionals who just want to be, who are very amateur like me. And then I put it on one, let it dry. So if it's tacky and sticky, I find it applies quicker and better that way. Don't even cut it. I like it real ghetto. I'm a real ghetto bitch and I like it real ghetto. I like real ghetto and long and ratchet and hood rat. I try not to put them on my lashes, but sometimes that just happens. That's just how it goes. It just happens. Cause I don't want to rip off my lashes when I'm taking them off. Too high, and you can see the separation between the real lash and the fake lashes. Okay, let's do the other one before it dries too much. Okay. I think this one I might have to go back and fix. We'll leave it for now. Next. So the next part I do is my eyebrows. With my eyebrows, I don't do drawing. I like my eyebrows to still look like my eyebrows and natural. So I don't draw them on. I just try to conceal the, let's say, the background. It's like blurring out a background. That's what I try to do. I try to conceal it here. And like, especially if there's any like small ingrown hairs, I try to conceal that. And I grab any like big brush. I find bigger brushes blend it better, so I just grab any big brush. I need to wash all my brushes. They're so good. But yeah, the big fluffier brushes. These are cheap hair store brushes. So don't think they're anything fancy. They really aren't. Because I really don't care to invest in makeup and stuff like that. Try to be natural, or not fully natural, but like a little natural, you know? And then that's it. And then I use, this was in my other Get Redder With Me. I use CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. So this is just, oh sorry, I didn't tell you what I use for my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I use Maybelline New York Concealer Fit Me. I have to use 4510. That is my skin color. And then for this, now this is just mascara, brown mascara that I bought by accident, and I decided to use for my eyebrows and ended up loving it. So now that's all I use. I had this for 2 years. Is that crazy? I still like a lot in it. So all I'm trying to do is conceal the background of the eyebrows and then darken the actual eyebrows, so all you see is eyebrow and not like if there's any ingrowns or anything like that. That's pretty much it for the eyebrows. Next, I go into, sometimes I'll put a little underneath here if I'm having like bags, but I don't even know what I'm supposed to be looking for, to be honest. Okay, is there a difference? But let's try it today. Let's see, I don't know what the difference is. Maybe you guys can tell the difference, but I don't. Yeah. Oh, I mean, it's a little bit lighter. It's not as dark. Yeah. You see, so that's done. The next thing I do is I don't do eyeshadow on top of here because a bitch doesn't know how to, and I want to know what I'm like a clown. So this is what I take, my little dusty palette here that I have. I love like these two colors, but I like to just like take a small brush. On this too, I use for my eyebrows sometimes. Like I'll just like brush it up, blend in, you know. Okay. Yeah, I'll take like a small brush like this, and I like to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Depending on my mood, I'll do like this color or that color. Let's try to mix it. Just put it in the inner corner. As good as it's gonna get. Next, what I usually do is I like to put eyeliner underneath here. I love the way, not eyeliner, but eyeshadow. I take like a skinny brush and put it underneath here. I love to do like, this is the palette I use. Dusty Crusty, I don't take care of it. But I like to use like that blue, but because of what I'm wearing, I don't think it'll go. So I'm gonna do the pink. I like the way the pink looks too. So, I use a skinny brush. A small brush like this, like one of these small brushes, and I just take it like that. And can you guys see? Just put it there. The pink won't look that bad, is what I mean. And then I take a brush size up because you can see it looks kind of harsh and here it's not blended. So I take a brush and I try to blend it a little. I just try to find another brush to blend it. So I'm trying to like do this. And then don't make this look so like liney and harsh. Okay. So the last thing for the eyes, last two things for the eyes is for the bottom, I like to put mascara. So I'm using CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. This is the mascara I'm using. I know a lot of my stuff is CoverGirl. It's a drugstore. Literally, that's where I buy everything. So I just put it at the bottom of my lashes. Then the last thing I do is mascara. I'm not mascara eyeliner. So I use e.l.f. I love this. I love the ones you can draw. I don't tend to the pencil. So I like the liquid liner. It's better. And then I really think I want it to come like straight. Sometimes I try to get it past the lashes, but like, the lashes are so the lashes come off here. I have a tendency of the mascara running, so this is what this now. I gotta keep it because it always likes to run right in the middle there. I'm not gonna do too much to down here because, like I said, I want a mask and you're not gonna see there, so I'm gonna leave there. So for makeup, that's pretty much it. Because I don't want hair to break out. So I'm just gonna put on my Carmex. Literally doing that because you're not gonna see it. I have to wear the mask on the bus. I have to wear the mask at work, so you're not gonna see. So I just use my Carmex just to make sure my lips got like moist. All it's gonna be putting makeup and stuff down here and whatever. I usually put like a little concealer to cover the darkness, but putting makeup down and putting the mask on top of it, it's just gonna cause your face to break out because you're gonna sweat with the mask. And what I'm trying to make, here we go. So I'm just gonna Carmex on. And then I'm done. So that's it for face. Its eyes fucked up, don't mind that. It's doing its own thing. And then I'm gonna put on my outfit and then I'm gonna do my hair. My clothes on. How to do this hair quick. There's not much to do to it. I just normally grease my hair and ladies baby hair.
So this is the full outfit. The baby hair's a little something. And yeah, that's why I said I wouldn't really do like a lipstick or anything at the bottom because you can't see it, bitch. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm rushing right now, that's why I'm out of breath. But yeah, guys, bye. Hope you like this Get Ready With Me. See you later.
She walk up in the room with a spotlight. Lights, camera, action, film it cause she's so tight. Outfit lit, gotta get my scene card. Rolling with the 4 friends, rated 5 stars. Confident, swagged out. She be holding it down, no doubt. Hustling on her own, and for that I call her grown and confident.